Hello everyone, I am Ajit. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the next question, fourth question. We have to use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer here, the square of any positive integer is of either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. We need to use Euclid's division lemma to prove that any positive integer, the square of any positive integer will be of the form either 3m or 3m plus 1. That is, if any positive integer is there, that square of that positive integer will be of the form 3m or 3m plus 1, where m is some integer here. M is some integer. Let's see how to prove this. We know that Euclid's division lemma, from Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. Now a is always greater than b, so let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. So here a is any positive integer and b we will take as 3, because we need to prove that the square of any positive integer will be of the form either 3m or 3m plus 1. So we will take b as 3. Now from Euclid's division lemma we know that a is equal to bq plus r, where q is greater than or equal to 0 here. Q quotient will be greater than or equal to 0, whereas the remainder here lies between 0 and b. Remainder lies between 0 and b. So r will be, or might be equal to 0 but is always less than b, and b, the value of b here is 3. So instead of b we can write as 3. That means the possible values of r are, it starts from 0, 1 and 2. So these are the only possible values of r. R might be equal to 0 or 1 or 2. It is less than 3. Now if we substitute r is equal to 0 in this equation, so if r is equal to 0, what will happen? We will get a as b is 3, 3q plus 0. Plus 0 no need to write, so a is equal to 3q. This is the first condition. Or a is equal to 3q plus 1. Or one more condition is 2. 2 is one of the possible values of r. So a will be equal to 3q plus 2. So these are the possible values of a. A might be equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now we need to prove here that, here they have said that the square of positive integer, not the positive integer, square of positive integer. Here we have taken a as positive integer. So we need to prove the square of positive integer or of the form either 3m or 3m plus 1. So for that we will square this a in all the 3 possible values of a. So we will get a square will be equal to, square if we do 3q whole square, or if we square here 3q plus 1 whole square, or 3q plus 2 whole square. So these are the possible values of a. Now when we square 3q whole square, here 3q plus 1 whole square, 3q plus 2 whole square. Here this is of the form a plus b whole square, and here also it is of the form a plus b whole square. So we will expand this. So we will get here 3q whole square, we will keep as it is as of now, or a plus b whole square. This is of the form a plus b whole square, where a is 3q. That means a square means 3q square. We will get 3 square is 9q square. A square plus 2ab. So 2 into, what is the value of a is 3q into 1 is b. So 2 into 3 is 6, q into 1 is 6q. So 6q plus the value of b is 1, 1 square is 1. So this is the expansion for 3q plus 1 whole square. Like that we will do for 3q plus 2 whole square. We will get same thing. 3q whole square is 9q square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12q plus b square, 2 square is 4. So in all the three here, we will take 3 as common. Why we are taking 3 as common is because they have asked us to prove that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So we have to show that 3m we have to get. So hence I am taking here as common as 3. So 3, if you take common here if you observe here 3 whole square is there. So 3 whole square is 9 here. If you take common 3, then 3 left here, q square. Or here also if we take in this expansion we will take 3 common only 2 of the first 2 terms, not the third term, only first 2 terms. If we take 3 common here, we will get 3q square plus 2q close the bracket plus 1. So if you multiply 3 into 3 is 9, q square plus 3 into 2 is 6q plus 1. Or here also first 2 terms if you take common 3 here, 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So we got this now, that is 3 into 3q square, 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1, 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Now here this 3q square I will write as k1, where k1 is some positive integer. Here also we know that q is integer. If you square integer and multiply by 3, you will get positive integer. I am taking that as k1. Or here 3, this term again 3q square plus 2q, k2, this plus 1. Or here 3, k3 plus 1. So we have expressed that here they have given, we have taken here as a as positive integer, and here we have taken the square of that. The square of any positive integer, if you observe here, of the form, either it will be of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Here also 3m plus 1. So the square of any positive integer will be of the form either 3m or 3m plus 1, where m is some integer. So I hope you understood this. Thank you all for watching.